He is the maintainer, sustainer, and one who gives order to the world or to the creation. Vishnu is the most well dressed, well decorated, well decked with all kinds of jewelry. He has a beautiful wife who is full of jewelry on her. She's the most beautiful person, and he is the one who sleeps on a coiled serpent on high sea, which is metaphorically or allegorically called as a milk of ocean. And he has so many fighting instruments, like a discus, like a mast, and many other things. And he is the one who incarnates from eon to eon or from age to age when goodness or righteousness is in trouble. When goodness and righteousness are in trouble, God reincarnates to restore the good and the righteous people, destroying the evil. That is his place. So this Vishnu has lots and lots of decorative aspects on him. He is the most aesthetically beautiful person. He is also known as, in his incarnations, as a Maryada Purushottama, means is the ultimate symbol of the best human person. Is the best human being, and is such a highly wonderful human being that nobody can surpass him in that humanness, quote unquote, embedded in that godhood.